breeders and stuff. Are you all with me? Yeah. And the offspring were sent away to different plantations. That's called foster care. Are you all with me?
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm so sick and tired of seeing patients in foster care who were sexually abused. 10 foster homes. How can somebody come out sane? The intention for them to come out sane was not the goal. You also have to see, this is like fight back. Oh no, you're not genociding us. You see, but they have, see, once you teach people, call yourself a gangster, call yourself a thug, call yourself a bitch and a hoe, then it doesn't matter what happens to you. What's supposed to happen to a bitch? What's supposed to happen to a hoe? What's supposed to happen to a dog? Right. The system says, hey, I'm really wiping you off if I can. And the only response is, no, you're not. No, you're not, for those who can. No, you're not. But see, we don't really have a convincing response to that. So they can, how many people have seen CNN and Soledad O'Brien talking about Jonestown? And they keep putting it on, and putting it on, and putting it on. 1,000 black people were killed. I say they had to be gassed. Following a white Jesus called Jim Jones. I say they had to be gassed because dogs don't drink Kool-Aid. And they had dogs dead, laying with their feet up in the air. You see, if you had drunk cyanide, you would be convulsing but not laying straight. But what they're doing is saying, no, we're going to kill 1,000 of them and see how they react. Let's see, we'll kill 40 and call it the Atlanta child murder. They don't react. Let's see, I killed 2,080 and tell them it's tolerant. They have no reaction. Are you all with me? These are experimental testing. See what they do. Have we succeeded in having them repeat gangster and thug and bitch and hoe and nigger? And saying those are terms of endearment. Good. Even we have to give the system a series of A+. Mission accomplished. Mission, tournament won. You see, so we have to think, how can we start valuing ourselves? See, when people are working, see, if you turn on your TV in the morning, you're getting fight, 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 fight. Blonde white women, fight, fight, fight. Fight, 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 fight. Fight, 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 fight. and have the little children, a little 3-year-old white child. How many of you saw those programs?
Yes.
It's too bad the audience didn't see it. Because they gave little white children a strip with colored faces on it. You know, like white face, little tan face, all the way to a black face. 3-year-old white child. Which child is stupid? Without hesitation, the black child. Which child is ugly? Which child is bad? Without a moment's hesitation. And then they did the same thing with some black children. Beautiful little children. Which child is ugly? Black. Which child is dumb and stupid? Black. See, in both parents, white parent and, oh, we don't know how. Those are just primary lessons in the system of racism, white supremacy. And all you have to do is put a child in front of the television and they learn the lesson. Not to mention conversation that might go on in the household about, isn't that girl pretty? Now, was she crystal black? No. See, it's the vibe fell. My back is turned, but the vibe fell. See, we have to get in touch with the truth. See, little black babies, the day they're born, the family goes to the hospital, they're looking through the glass. The nurse says, this one is yours. No, that must be a mistake. No, that check the bracelet again. What does the system teach? If you're black, get back. If you are brown, see, I can do this in London. And same. If you are yellow, and if you're white. See, now this is just color code white genetic survival. Because the more genetic power you have, your skin is crystal black. A next lesser level of melanin production, so-called brown, slide red in there, and yellow. White is none at all. And so it stands to reason, if the system is about white genetic survival, dark has to be out. So parents bring the little children to the psychiatrist. Dr. Welsing, my daughter, says she's going to kill herself because the boys say she's too dark to date. Are you all with me? See, we have to cure if we're going to have any response going this way.